macaroni salads, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be seeing the new update in Animal Jam. I'm so excited. Also, my chickens say hi.
Oh my goodness. What is happening? This is insane. Why does it look like this? It's so glitchy. Look at all this Night of the Phantom stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, let's head into the Sapphire shop and see what there is to buy. Here it is. The bundle. You can get... Oh my gosh, why is it so expensive? That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna buy this. Wow, this is a lot of items. Meerkat. Tarantula. Maned wolf. I'm a maned wolf. Let's dress her up all cutesy and stuff. I'm so fancy. Look at this vulture. I'm obsessed. Look at me go. I'm stunning. I need this puppy. I'm gonna make it black and white because I used to have a Chihuahua that was black and white and his name was Taco. I know it was basic, but oh my gosh, it looks like him. Epic Night of the Phantoms bundle. Broken. Purified animal token? No way. What does a purified animal look like? That is stunning. Wait, they're so pretty. I'm stunned. I'm genuinely stunned. Oh my gosh. What is this? Trick or treat? Huh? Super Sweets is back, you guys.
Let's go to my den and let's place down one of these tokens. Look at all of these beautiful animals. Let's name it Forest Spirit Girl. Okay, let's now get Eurasian Wolf. This one's gonna be Sparkle Kind Pear. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! Raccoon. It's so cute. Laughing Von Wolf. And finally, oh my gosh, it's so cute! And the last one I'm gonna give to my sister. Look how cute! Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be doing a live stream exploring more things in the update and digging deeper into the lore and all of the activities we can do. I hope you all have an amazing day. Goodbye!